Hi, welcome to week 4. And so this week, working on networking and interviewing. And so some really good things. And so make sure you're reading through all of the lessons for the week that you see. And so here's our networking and interviewing. Writing lesson focuses on professional communities there. And our math lesson this week, perimeter, area, and volume. And so applying a lot of formulas with that math lesson there. And so do make sure go through all those lessons. And then remember with your math exercises, as you're doing those, you can retake those as many times as you want. And so I really highly recommend you do that to keep practicing, make sure you get those math topics down solid. Then as far as your other assignments go, mostly the usual stuff, and I wanted to kind of focus on your application activity. And so for your application activity this week, you will be creating a LinkedIn profile. And so some of you maybe already have one, and so this is your chance to update some things, maybe improve on things there. But if you haven't already created a LinkedIn profile, now you can get started on that. And so it does have an instruction page for doing that. And so that's right here. Make sure you follow all of those steps there. And it's really pretty easy to set up once you sign up for LinkedIn. Walks you through most of these steps pretty easily. You do have an option to use more than one language, and so maybe a great idea, especially if you're applying for a job that's not going to be English speaking. But please do make sure you make at least one profile that is in English so that I can read that as part of my grading. I'll need to go in and check these, and I do need them in English, at least one profile. You're welcome to, make more than one in whatever language that you need those in. All right, otherwise pretty much very similar to writing your resumes, the things that you'll be graded on. This one does need a professional photo in there, but then you'll also have a headline and a summary and professional experiences and skills. And so similar things, like I say, to your resume, you'll put your education in there. And so follow those steps, make sure those things are in there. And then also it does say there are some optimization steps that are recommended in the instructions and in LinkedIn. And so, show at least 2 of those that you followed those steps and completed those in your LinkedIn profile. And that'll be part of what I'll look for as well. And that's going to be really your main thing this week to focus on. And so make sure you're getting that out there nice and professional to help you get the job that you want, right? All right, please do let me know if you have any questions or concerns. You can leave those as replies to this announcement, or you can send me an email and I'm happy to get back with you, or you're welcome to answer each other's questions as you see those come up as well.